In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a Docusign after signing, a critical process if you need to cancel or void an e-signature document after it's been sent. Voiding a document can be essential if there were errors in the document, if terms have changed, or if you need to halt the process for any other reason. So let's walk through this step by step, ensuring that you understand each part of the process and that no vital detail gets left out. First, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signatures and agreement management, and it's where we'll be operating from today. Once there, the next thing you need to do is locate and click on the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and get signed in. If not, you will need to create an account before proceeding. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. On this page, look for an option labeled Agreements. Clicking on this will direct you to a screen displaying all of your contractual documents and agreements. Here you can see an overview of documents that are pending, completed, or waiting for action. Now focus your attention on the Action Required tab. This tab is crucial as it displays all documents that still require action, either by you or another party. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be presented with a list of documents needing attention. Find the particular document you wish to void. Next to the document, you should see a small icon that looks like 3 vertically aligned dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on it to pull up additional actions you can take with this document. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Void. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation, asking if you're sure about voiding the document. This is the last chance to reconsider or double check you've selected the correct document. Confirm the action when you're certain. By carefully following these steps, you've successfully voided the Docusign document. Voiding will trigger notifications to all parties involved, informing them that the document is no longer valid. This helps maintain clarity and opens the possibility to create a new document with any necessary adjustments. That wraps up our guide on how to void a Docusign after signing. Remember, this is a powerful tool, so use it wisely. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.